Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Rocking with KJ, the investor. So check this out. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the portfolio as it looks on the live screen. Looks like we've had a pretty green day, very productive. Well, if you look up in the top left corner, it says the past hour, because little do we know, if I click on the 1 day tab, boom, that's how it's actually been. The market has went down 0.40% today. The portfolio is sitting at $43,696. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you what we're going to do. We're going to combine the news from yesterday and today. And this is why we got what we got right now in the actual market. I'm going to jump into some stats on my portfolio. The buying power is still $45.18. Interest occurred this month, $1.31. Lifetime interest paid, $53.47. Cash earning interest, $45.18. You know about my cryptos. I'm not going to waste a lot of time talking about that. And y'all, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, if you are a crypto fan, or Bitcoin or Ethereum, or something like that, just be careful with that, because I would pose to tell you to be careful, because I base my portfolio off of historical data that can track past performances of companies, and crypto doesn't have historical data. It's only based off of what the next person will pay for it. But when you come to different companies and ETFs, these stocks, these are actual companies that has past performance, and if it done it before, guess what? It means it can do it again. So I'm gonna home in on the key portfolio holdings. Google announced today that their earnings came in 2% higher than expected. So they're gonna be paying out dividends pretty soon for $1.89 per share. Right here, I have Alphabet Class A trading at $178.50. I have 12.685 shares. My average cost is $143.89. Market value is $2,264.54. Like I said, it's been a red day today. So today return is down almost $40, but total return, we're up $439. So that's Alphabet Class A. If you scroll all the way down, you go to Alphabet Class C. It's trading at $180.21. Now, the only thing, the difference between Class A and Class C is Class A has voter rights, Class C doesn't. But I recently started investing in Class C because I thought it was a good idea to have both. And I have 3.699 shares of Google Class C. Oh my gosh, look at the market value, 666.66. That's wild. That's got to change. Average cost $185.22. Today it took a loss of $11.62. Total loss is $18.53. That's because that average price is higher than what I want it to be. Also, I want to take a look at Meta. Meta is trading at $482.39. This is actually a good price for anybody who want to pick up some Meta, because Meta average cost for me is $508.72. And I thought that was as low as it was going to drop. I didn't know it was going to go any lower. But guess what? Since it is lower, it poses a better time for me to buy. And I'm going to do just that. I'm going to buy more shares. Right now, I'm sitting on 2.2 shares. Market value $1,062.02. Today return was a negative $11. Total return negative $57.98. I know people might look at this and say, man, what's going on? The market's down, down, down. You see all this red in my portfolio, but I'm here to tell you that is actually a good thing. This is where wealth is created, in the red days, not in the green days. When green hits, you should already have accumulated these stocks in the red. And so when it turns green, you are in the profit. Now, for the next example, NVIDIA is trading at $121.52. It's actually up from just a couple of hours ago when it was at $120 a share. I have 40.778 shares of NVIDIA. Average cost $120.17. Market value is $4,955.01. Today's return was a negative $82.78. Total return overall is $54.81. Now, NVIDIA, the sweet thing about this stock, this company, is the Q2 earnings report is getting ready to come in August. But at the end of July 31st to be exact, will be the actual closing date of Q2 for NVIDIA. And once the news started coming out that NVIDIA has actually did its big one for this particular quarter, this stock, which is the third biggest company in the world, by market cap size now, third most richest company. It's a $3 trillion company. And this stock price at 121 is an actual deal. It's on sale because most companies that are in the trillions, worth $3 trillion, is not trading this low at $121. As a matter of fact, I say most, but it's like I said, it's only three, and those are the top three companies in the world. You got Microsoft at number one; they're trading at $400 and something. You got Apple number two; they're trading over $229, something like that, and now you got NVIDIA $121. So I'm definitely looking to expand more on this position. I got 40 shares, almost 41 shares. I'm looking to get up to 50, maybe 60 shares before the Q2 earnings in August come out. But I'm trying to get my shares before July 31st. And if you are interested in this stock, I would encourage you to do the same. SPLG real quick is trading at $64.91. I got 113 shares of SPLG. Market value is $7,344. Average cost is $60.08. Today's the S&P 500 is down $37.34, but total return overall, I'm up $547.03. That's SPLG, and I'm looking to expand that position as well. Now, I mentioned Microsoft earlier. Click on this. I have 3.69 shares of Microsoft. The average cost was $410, and I thought that was pretty steep then. Microsoft has since then went up. Right now, Microsoft is trading at $443.87. I got a market value of $16.39 in the market. Today is an actual positive for them. My portfolio gained $3.43. And overall, I'm up $123.43 in Microsoft. Like I said, this is the number one company in the world, over $3 trillion in assets, market cap wise. Apple, number two, is going to be like the second biggest company. Right now, it's trading at $224.43. I have 22 shares of Apple. Market value is $4,947. Average cost right now is $175.49. I have a total return of $9.70 for today and a total return overall of $1,078.09. Apple is booming and it's doing good. I caught those shares at a earlier time in the year. I think January, February, March. Really around February, March, April, I was catching a lot of Apple on a good deep discount. So that's why I'm able to capitalize on the total returns the way I have. So like I said, that's another $3 trillion company. And like I said, Google, I already talked about them. They're going to be sharing profit reports pretty soon. I'm going to take one more look at this one. Let's go to Walmart. $70.57. Walmart is actually up today versus what it was yesterday. I have 101 shares of Walmart. That is at a market value of $7,161.60. Average price is $55.52. Today was a total return of $19.28. And then total return overall, Walmart overall is up 27% at $1,527.25. So that's incredible. Walmart is up year to date, 34.63% year to date. Anything over 8%, guys, we're getting rich. So that's just a quick overview. You got, oh, you know what? Coca-Cola, boom. They just announced their earnings report as well. They're trading at $64.99. I got 29.84 shares, almost 30 shares of Coca-Cola. Market value $1,939.75. Average cost is $59.84. Today's return $6.57. Total return is $153.63. That's over 8% year to date. Coca-Cola is 10.53% year to date. Anything over 8%, guys, we're getting rich. So I just wanted to point out a couple of key stocks. The portfolio is looking good. It's a lot of red right now, a lot of things on sale. So don't fret because of that. But look at this. Year to date, the portfolio is up 9.93%. And there's no doubt in my mind that it'll go even higher than that. So you guys, this page is made for young investors, old investors, middle-aged investors, beginning investors, even experienced and seasoned investors. I appreciate making content for you guys. I appreciate you guys liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing the videos, doing whatever it is that you need to do to support this page. That would mean the world to me. I'm very passionate about helping people get to their financial freedom, getting to their destiny. And I believe that the stocks that I've shared with you today and some of the ETFs that I shared with you today are definitely investment choices that if you make, you would definitely be on your way to financial freedom and controlling 100% of your own time and doing what you want to do with your life. Okay. All right, y'all. Until next time, I appreciate it. This is KJD Investor, and appreciate y'all rocking with me. Subscribe, like the video, tell somebody to tell somebody. Peace.